channel. Be your best, beautiful, happy Raksha Bandhan to all you guys. I wish you a great Raksha Bandhan for all the brothers and sisters out there. So today I'm here, and as you guys can see, I'm going to do a Raksha Bandhan look. So yeah, so let's quickly start with the video. So let's start with the makeup, guys. So let's first start with the primer. So I'm using the Color Bar primer for today. So whatever products I'm using along with the shade, I'm going to mention it right here, so don't worry about that. Once the primer is set, you just leave it for a minute or so to completely settle in, and then we'll go with the foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I know it has primer, but I've applied a little bit of primer just like that. So let's apply the foundation. So I'm going to damp my beauty blender with a spray. So this is the Makeup Fixer spray from the brand Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to just blend in the foundation in the face. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to conceal the places where I need. So this is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, one of my favorite concealers. Next, we are going to set up the base using a powder. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Compact Powder. Now this is the most favorite powder I ever have, and it's almost getting over, if you guys can see. So I'm going to just take some product and dab it all over my face. Make sure that your under eyes are nicely covered by this powder so that later on no crease is formed. So make sure of that. My base is completely done. Now let's do the eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild. It's the Ultimate Brow Kit. So my brows are done. Next, we are going to move to the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution palette. Now this palette I have completely reviewed. I'm going to share a link right here for you guys to see. So there are gorgeous colors here. So I'm going to wear this same dress, guys. So this dress has a little bit of golden bronze and a little bit of orange shade going on along with the teal color. So I'm going to use these two shades on my lid and a little bit of this shade on the section of my eyelids. So I'm going to take this shade first on the brush. I'm going to dab off the excess and I'm going to place it all over the eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful brown orangish shade right here and I'm going to place it on the outer corner. And I'm also going to pick up the same color, the brown color, and I'm going to place it all over the crease like this. Next, I'm going to pick up this beautiful bronze gold color on my ring finger, just a little bit of product, and I'm going to place it in the middle section of the eyelid like this. So this is the finished look of both the eyes, if you guys can see. So it's a little bit of messy around, but if you want a very clean eyeshadow, you can definitely stick a tape over here or maybe clean it later on. So I'm done with the eyeshadow part. Let's go with the eyeliner. Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. Now this eyeliner I've completely reviewed. So again, I'm going to leave a link over here. So please do check that out if you wish to. So yeah, so I'm going to make a nice cute wing, a little wing because it's traditional. So wing to banta hai. So I'm done with the eyeliner. Now let's go to the mascara, or let's first go to the kajal. So I'm going to use this brown kajal. It's from the brand Sugar. So this is a very nice brown kohl. I'm just going to apply it on my waterline as well as on tight line. Now on this pencil, I'm just going to take a little bit of the same color, that this is the brown color right here, and I'm just going to very lightly apply it just below the waterline. For mascara, I'm going to use this Modicare product. It's the Urban Color Mascara. This is by far the best ever mascara I've ever used, guys. So we are done with the mascara. Sorry, I dropped it. So we are done with the mascara. Now let's go to the blush. So I'm going to use the Essence. It's a matte blush. It's a beautiful pink color blush and I love it so much. So I'm going to take my brush. It's basically an angular one. So I'm just going to pick up some product, dab off the excess and smile and apply it on the apples of the cheeks. So I'm done with the blush. I love these nice pink cheeks. So next I'm going to do the highlighter. So I'm going to use the Sugar highlighter. So this is the highlight. I'm going to show you the shade as well. It's very gorgeous, guys. It's a nice bronzy shade. So this is how the product looks like. I'm going to take a little bit of product on my ring finger and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face, like the nose, on the cupid's bow, apply it on the cheeks. So that's how the highlighter is looking. Next is a lipstick. So I'm very confused of to apply which one. This is from the brand Pro and this is from the brand Brick New York. I think I'm just going to go with this lipstick. Since I've gone a little bit of heavy on my eyes, I'm going to use a nice nude lipstick. So let's just apply this one. So it's a beautiful shade, guys. It's a nice brown bronzy shade. So I'm just going to apply this. So I'm going to finally set this makeup with the Swiss Beauty. It's the Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. So I'm just going to close my eyes and spray a little bit of product. This will ensure that your makeup stays longer. So I'm gonna wear this beautiful Mayur earrings. So yeah, so these are very pretty bronzy golden earrings. So I'm gonna wear that. So these are my earrings. For my hair, I'm just gonna open up my hair. I'm going to complete my look with a bindi right here and also some bangles. For an Indian festival, bindis and bangles are a must. So I'm just gonna top. Since I do not have a matching teal blue colored bindi, I'm going to wear an orange one because there's a little bit of orange detailing over here and I think it looks really good and complete. And I'm just gonna wear some random bangles out here. So that's the bangles and I cannot forget my watch. That's the complete look. So it's just a close-up for you guys. If you can see, I was confused what to do with my hair, so I've just simply clip it up. I've just taken a little bit of hair and I've clipped it up right here. So yeah, so that's how the complete look looks like. I hope you like this look, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like this look, if you like this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys next Saturday, and once again a very happy Raksha Bandhan to all you guys, and stay safe and take care. See you next time. Bye bye.